Hi kids, so in this video we'll continue with mensuration class 9 from L Aggarwal, exercise 16.2. We have done till sum number 13 in the previous video. You can click on the I button and get the link, or you can see the description box. Now let us start from sum number 14, L Aggarwal, okay? A rectangular garden 10 meter by 16 meter is to be surrounded by a concrete walk of uniform width. See, you have a rectangular garden 16 meter by 10 meter. Now it has to be surrounded by a concrete walk of uniform width. Suppose this is your concrete walk, okay? Yes, of uniform width. This is same throughout, uniform, okay? Yes, given the area of the walk, the area of the walk, they have given this. How much? 120 meters square. Assuming the width of the walk be x, means this is x, okay? This is x. They have given in the sum. Form an equation in x and solve it to find the value of x. First of all, see, area of the walk, which means this shaded region is given. Now there are two rectangles if you see carefully. So outer rectangle area minus inner rectangle area gives you the area of walk. Now first thing, area of inner rectangle, the smaller one whose length is 16 and breadth is 10. Inner rectangle, that is very easy. Length multiplied by breadth, that's 160 meters square. Now comes outer rectangle. We'll talk about the outer rectangle. The length, see, this is x, over here this is x. So 16 plus x, which means the length becomes 16 plus 2x. Similarly, the breadth becomes 10 plus x, 10 plus 2x. Yes or no? Then area of outer rectangle, length multiplied by breadth, that is 16 plus 2x multiplied by 10 plus 2x. Yes or no? Just open the bracket. 16 10 times gives you 160. Then 16 2 times gives you 32x. Then plus 2x multiplied by 10 gives you 20x. And 2x multiplied by 2x gives you 4x square. So that's the area of the outer rectangle in terms of x. Now, according to the problem, what is given to us? Outer rectangle area, which is 4x square, I am arranging and writing, plus 52x, because this had to give 52, plus 160. This is the area of the outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle gives you the area of the walk. Look carefully, outer minus inner, that is 120. So this is the equation. We'll just open the bracket. 4x square plus 52x plus 160 minus 160 equals to 120. 160 cancels out. Bring 120 on this side, so 4x square plus 52x minus 120 equals to 0. We can take 4 common, isn't it? So if you take 4 common, so x square plus 13x minus 30 equals to 0, which means x square plus 13x minus 30 equals to 0. If the product is equal to 0, then this has to be 0, because 4 is of course not equal to 0, okay? Now, middle term factorization. Look over here. This is 30. So the factors of 30 are 2, 15 times, 3, 5 times, 5, 1 times. We have already done middle term factorization, okay? Now, we need to get 13. 5 3s are 15, 15 minus 2, 13. So can we write x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 30 equals to 0? Middle term factorization. you take x common, so x plus 15. Over here you take minus 2 common, x plus 15 equals to 0. So it becomes x minus 2, x plus 15 equals to 0. X plus 2 common, so x minus 2 is left. Now, zero product rule says that either this or this will be 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0 or x plus 15 equals to 0. So over here x equals to 2, over here x equals to minus 15. This is not possible because the width cannot be negative. So the width of the walk is 2 meter. Am I clear? X is 2 meter. And that's your answer. Pretty easy. Chalo, we look at sum number 15 now. Now look at number 15. Okay. A rectangular room is 6 meter long. The length is 6 meter. 4.8 meter wide. 4.8 meter wide. And 3.5 meter high. Means the height is 3.5 meter. They've given this. Find the inner surface area of the four wall. Simple. Remember this. Area of four walls is twice L plus B into H. Perimeter multiplied by the height. Why? If you see the room, the four walls. Each wall, the four walls, if you see, this, suppose I'll draw a cuboid. This is a cuboid only. There are four walls. See, this one, this, and this. For this face, for this face, this is length and this is height. So area will be L into H plus. For the opposite face, same L into H plus. For this face, okay, this one. This is B into H plus this is again B into H. Yes or no? See, H is common. So this will be L plus B plus B into H. That's twice L plus twice B into H. 2 taken common. Done. That's the area of the four wall of a room. What they are asking? Area of four walls. So done. Area of four wall will be twice L plus B, that's 6 plus 4.8 multiplied by 3.5. So this is twice, this is 10.8, and this, can I write 35 by 10? I'll just remove the point. 5 2 times, 5 7 times, 2 1 time, 2 1 time. 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7. 75.6. This was meter square. Just remember the formula. Area of four walls is twice L plus B multiplied by H. Done. Now let us look at number 16. Now look at number 16. A rectangular plot of land measures 41 meter in length and 22.5 meter in width. I'll just draw the diagram first. A rectangular plot of land measures 41 meter length and the width is 22.5 meter. That's given to us. A boundary wall 2 meter high is built all around the plot at a distance of 1.5 meter from the plot, which means you have built a wall all around it, and the distance of the wall from this is 1.5 meter, isn't it? Uniform. Same, 1.5 meter. Again I'll read. A boundary wall 2 meter high, this is your wall, whose height is given as 2 meter. Okay, is built all around the plot at a distance of 1.5 meter from the plot. Find the inner surface of the boundary wall. Find the inner surface of the boundary wall. Now look carefully. If you look at this outer, there are two rectangles. If you look carefully, outer rectangle the length will be what? 41 plus 1.5, 1.5 on both sides. This is 1.5 meter, this is 1.5. We add 1.5 and 1.5, that's 3. So that's 44 meter. Done. The breadth, outer rectangle I'm talking about. Breadth again 22.5 plus 3 again 1.5, 1.5. That's how much? 25.5 meter. Now look carefully. These are walls. Okay, over here. They want find the inner surface area of the 4 walls. Inner surface area means the area of the 4 walls. Just now we did area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls is twice L plus B into H. Okay, now look carefully. The length of the wall is 44. The breadth of course is 25.5 and the height of the wall is 2. Yes or no? Now just substitute the value. Let us see. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 multiplied by 44 plus 25.5. That's 40, 50, 60, 69.5. Am I correct or not? This is meter square. This is the area of the 4 walls. So this is 4 5s are 20. 4 9 times 36, 38, 24, 25, 26, 27, which is 278 meter square. Just find the length and breadth of the outer rectangle if you can see, and then find the area of 4 walls twice L plus B into H. Done. Now let us look at sum number 17. Now look at 17. 17 has 3 parts. In part A, let us look what they said. Find the perimeter and area of the figure given below in which all corners are at right angle. So they have made a figure like this L. Let me see. Yeah. And the corners are at 90 degrees. They have told us. This is 2 meter. From here to here, this is 4 meter. Then from here to here it is 4 meter. And this is 1.5 meter. Now, perimeter and the area. First of all, if you talk about perimeter, perimeter is outer boundary, which means 2 plus this is 4 plus this is 4 plus this is 1.5 plus this. How much is this? Look over here. This, if you drop a perpendicular, this becomes a rectangle. So this side and this side will be equal 4, isn't it? And this figure also becomes a rectangle. So this is 2, this is 2 meter. So the total is 6 meter. So plus 6. Done. Now this one. See, from here to here it is 4. From here to here is 1.5. So 4 plus 1.5. Because this and this will be same to 1.5. So 4 plus 1.5 is 5.5. Done. Now just calculate the perimeter. This is 10, 16, 17, 18, 23 meter. If you add them. Done. Now area. Look over here. I divided this figure into 2 rectangles, rectangle A and rectangle B. So for rectangle A, if you look carefully, the length is 5.5 and the breadth is 2. So area is length into breadth. That's 11 meters square. And for rectangle B, if you look carefully, the length is 4 and the breadth is 1.5. That's 6 meters square, which means total area will be 11 plus 6, 17 meters square. Done? Sure. Now we look at 17 part B. We'll do it over here only. There's a lot of space left over there. Now, this. Let me see. They have given a diagram like this. Look carefully. All the corners are 90 degrees. Just remember that. Now, dimensions are 3 meter. This is 5 meter from here to here. Then this is 8 meter. I'm talking about this to this. Then there's 5 meter again. There is 2 meter. This is 7 meter. Now, they told us to find the perimeter first. Now, if this is 7, this is also 7. No doubt in that. This is 3, this is 8, and this is 2. So this will be 3 plus 8 plus 2. Isn't it? Look carefully. This is 3, 3. This is 8, so this is 8. I've dropped a perpendicular, okay, from here. So these 3 rectangles are formed. And this is 2. So 3 plus 8 plus 2, the entire length, this one, is how much? 3 plus 8 plus 2 is 13. So the perimeter will be what? 3 plus this 5 outer boundary plus this 8 plus this 5 plus this 2 plus 7 plus this 13 plus this 7. Done? Now this is 20, 30, 40, this is 50. So P is 50 meter. Done? Outer boundary, just add the outer boundary. That is your perimeter. Now area. Again, I have divided it into 3 rectangles if you look carefully. Rectangle A, rectangle B, and rectangle C. First thing, rectangle A. Rectangle A, area will be length 7 into breadth 3. That's 21 meters square. Rectangle C, look over here. Length, that is 7. Breadth, that is 2. 14 meters square. Rectangle B, now look carefully. Length is 8. Breadth is this much. How much is this? Now look carefully. This entire thing is 7. From here to here, you have 5. So how much is this? This must be 7 minus 5. That's 2 meter. So 2, that's 16 meters square. So total area will be what? 20, 30, 40, 50, 51 meters square. That's the total area. I've divided it into 3 rectangles. And we knew the dimensions, length and breadth. So this was 17 part A, this was 17 part B. Part C is similar. You try it on your own. Okay? Chalo, we'll do number 18 now. Now look at number 18. 17 part C, you try it on your own. The length and breadth of a rectangle are 12 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the height of the triangle whose base is 9 cm and whose area is 1/3 that of a rectangle. There are two things. There is a rectangle, okay, whose dimension is given to us 12 cm and 9 cm. Okay. Now what happened? Find the height of a triangle whose base is 9 and whose area is 1/3 that of rectangle. Whose base is 9, okay, the base is 9 cm, okay, and the area of this triangle, they have given is 1/3 area of rectangle. This is given to us. You need to find the height, isn't it? A, B, C, A, M. You need to find AM. Yeah. Find the height of the triangle whose base is 9 cm and whose area is chalo. First thing, you find the area of this rectangle. Area of rectangle is 12 into 9 centimeters square. That's 9 2 times 18. 9 1 is 9, 10. So this much. Done. Now area of triangle is nothing but 1/3 area of the rectangle. 3, 3 times 3, 6 times. That's 36 centimeters square. Now look carefully. Area of triangle is nothing but half multiplied by base, which is 9, multiplied by height, which is AM. This is the area, and this is equal to 36. Just now we got. Okay, so AM will be what? Solve it. 36 multiplied by 2 divided by 9. 9 4 times. So that's 8 centimeter, which means the altitude of this triangle, whose area was 1/3, this rectangle, is 8 centimeter. Find the area of this rectangle, we get the area of this triangle. Then half into base into height. Use that concept. Done. Sure. We'll do the next one, number 19. Number 19. Let us see what they've given in number 19. The area of a square plot. There is a square plot whose area is 484 meter square. Find the length of its one side. Suppose the side is A, and the length of its one diagonal. Diagonal are equal in length in case of a square. Now first of all, area is given. We know area is side square. Area of a square is side square. Suppose the side is A, then 484 equals to A square. A will be what? Plus minus root 484. We can do like this. Now 484, find the factors. 242, 121, isn't it? 11. So 11 and 2 are in pair. So 11 2 times gives you 22. So this will be plus minus 22 meter. We don't take negative because side to negative hoga nahi. So what will take? 22 meter. Neglecting negative 1 because negative is not possible. The side is 22 meter. We got side. Now diagonal. Pythagoras theorem. A, B, C. AC square is AB square plus BC square. Remember? So AC square, AB is the side, which is 22 square plus BC square. BC square, again BC is same, 22. So that 22 whole square. So AC square is, just now we did 484 plus 484. Just look carefully, okay? Now this will be AC square will be 484 plus 484, that's 448, 8 plus 8 16, 968, isn't it? Now again AC will be what? Plus minus root 968. Now again the prime factors. So AC, the plus minus, I'll not take negative because length, the diagonal cannot be negative, so I'm taking the positive one only. 968, the factors will be 484, the factors were 2, 2, 11, 11. So this will be 2, 3 times and 11 2 times. So this 2 comes out, this 11 comes out. But since this 2 doesn't have a pair, it remains inside. So 22 multiplied by root 2. What is the value of root 2? 1.414. Multiply it and you'll get the answer, meter. Done. Very easy. The side equals to square root of area. You got the side, then the diagonal. We got it from Pythagoras theorem. Done. Or somebody can use directly diagonal equals to root 2 times side. That also you can use if you want to. Okay. Chalo. We'll do number 20 now. Now look at number 20. What they have told. A square has a perimeter of 56 meter. 56 meter. So the perimeter of this square is 56 meter. Find its area and the length of one diagonal correct up to 2 decimal places. Very easy. What will be side? Side will be P by 4. Okay. So that's 56 by 4. That's how much? 14 meter. So the side is 14 meter. Isn't it? Know what they've asked for? Side we got. Find the area and the length of one diagonal. Area. Area is what? Area is side square. Just now we did. So 14 square, that's 196 meter square. Got it? Very easy. 14 square is 196. You got the area. Now look over here. This is your diagonal. Again, ABC. This is 90 degree. So AC square is AB square plus BC square. So AC square is AB square. That's 14 square. 14 square is 196 plus 196. So AC square is 6612. This is 392. So AC will be what? Plus minus, I am taking the positive one, root over of 392. So AC will be 392 again. We can write as 196 multiplied by 2. Because we know the square root of 196. 196, the square root is 14. Root 2. Just now we got the value 1.414. Solve it and get the answer. Very easy, isn't it? Just multiply these two and give your answer till up to 2 decimal places. Am I clear? Chalo. In this video, we'll keep it till here. In the next video, we'll see the rest of the sum. Till then, take care and be safe. And if you like the video, do subscribe, share.